lips are legit burning. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. By the time you guys are seeing this video, it should be 3 days until my birthday, and I decided this year that I would treat myself a little bit. So if you guys have been watching my channel, or if you just like know me personally, you know that I don't like to spend a lot of money. Like I'm not like a big spender, and most of the makeup, I know I have a lot of makeup, I buy makeup all the time, I know. But I buy it on sale, I buy it with coupons, I buy cheap makeup. I don't go for like all the high-end, full-priced. It's just not really my cup of tea, and typically I find that it's just not that like worth it, you know? But there are some products that I have been just dreaming of having in my collection for a very long time. So I decided to buy those things. I just kind of filled up my basket at Sephora. You guys probably already know by the title, this is a Sephora haul. I almost never shop at Sephora. I have shopped at Sephora twice. I went all out. I bought myself a full face of new makeup, a bunch of new brands that I've never tried before, and yeah, I'm really excited to get into this. The only thing I didn't get were brow products. I think that's it. Ham! He's being quiet now. Ham! Please stop crying. I've got this nice box here. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my little like freebies, my samples. I got the Better Not Younger Wake Up Call Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner. They're vegan and cruelty free. The Estee Lauder New Futurist Hydra Rescue Moisturizing Makeup. That's what this looks like. Excited to try this, even though I've never actually used one of these little sample foundation things. I have a bunch of them never used. I'm excited to try it because I really like the Double Wear foundation, so I'd like to see the moisturizing foundation from Estee Lauder. The Beauty Blender company really like touched my inner child here with the color changing Beauty Blender. I don't know if you guys have seen this. It's so cool. I'm so excited. So this is the color changing Beauty Blender. I'm gonna try and keep it on this. So as you guys can see, it starts off this like pale purple color, then it turns like a green. How cool is that? Now it's like this like minty green color. Oh, it's so cool, and I'm so excited to use this. I also just needed a new beauty blender. I got myself 2 foundations, one that I'm super excited about, and then the other one I just kind of like stumbled upon in the sale section. So yes, it was on sale, but still expensive. The one that I was getting, like originally, I just always wanted it, is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I've never tried Fenty Beauty. This is, you know, one of those brands, new one, that I've never tried before. This is what the foundation looks like. I got this in the shade 120, and it looks like it's probably a pretty okay match. Maybe a slight bit too dark, but I don't know. It looks like it's gonna be okay. I will be doing like a get ready with me with using all of these products, so stay tuned for that. That should be coming up since it's my birthday month. The other foundation I got is the Stellar Limitless foundation, which I stumbled upon in the sale section. I just needed something else, and I was like, ooh, cool. I got mine in the shade LO2. I've never even heard of this brand. As far as I know, I've never heard of it. Packaging's like really... That was way too expensive to be dropping it. The packaging is like really nice. So yeah, they both have pumps. The other one has a pump too. But I saw this and it said it's good for dry skin, so I was very excited about that. For concealer, we have the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in the shade Porcelain. I'm intrigued that this one's in a little tube. I've never tried Milk Makeup either, and so I'm excited to try this. I've heard good things about this concealer. I have 2 bronzer options. I have the NARS Laguna bronzer, which is newer, I think. I'm pretty sure it's newer. I don't know. And then we have the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Oh, I'm so excited. These are both matte bronzers because I prefer a matte bronzer. Here's the NARS one. This is Laguna. Oh no, please stay up. Then the Too Faced one, oh my gosh, this packaging is so cute. I know Too Faced just already has like really cute packaging, but like, come on. Come on, that's adorable. This one did have some like little crumblies around it. I don't see that where it's broken at all. I don't know if that maybe came off of another one. Also, smells like chocolate. I'm so excited. It's a magnetic close, which I really like. Then, of course, because of Soph, I had to get the Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur Blush. Had to. She always talks about it. It's like her new favorite blush. And I'm like, oh yeah, I want to try that. I got mine in the shade Coral Cloud, which I believe is the same one as her. It's just like the peachy one. I did swatch this because I want to see what it felt like. It feels pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. For highlighter, I was a little shocked. Okay, not gonna lie. So I have a blush. This is my Becca Cosmetics Wild Honey blush. I thought this was a full-size product. Am I wrong? Like, is this not full-size? Because I thought it was full-sized. I got the highlighter, and it's this big. I got the Moonstone highlighter, of course. I also accidentally stabbed it with this piece of plastic. We're gonna just take that out. The packaging's just so huge. This is like probably one of the biggest highlighters I have. I couldn't believe how big it was. I was like, there's no way. Wow. Then I do have an eyeliner. I didn't buy this as like a free gift, so I guess from buying so much makeup, they gave me like a free gift. So I got the KVD Vegan Beauty Tattooed Eyeliner. I'm excited to try it, especially, you know, now that hopefully all the controversies like kind of died down about, you know, KVD. For mascara, this is something I've been wanting to try for so long, and I'm so excited to finally get to. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. And let me tell you, I've heard people talk about the packaging being heavy on this, but I kind of forgot about that. This is a very weighty mascara. I mean, the packaging is metal. I think it's so crazy they made the packaging like this because it seems like, I don't know, it seems like you wouldn't want to throw it away. This packaging is like really cool, but like when I'm done with it, you know, if I really like it, I'm gonna have to buy another one and then just throw out that super awesome packaging. Another thing I'm going to be trying are some high-end lashes. This will be my first pair of high-end lashes ever. The false lashes, these are the Norvina lashes. Okay, they're in the style So Hollywood. I thought they were just called the Norvina lashes. I don't know, but this is what they look like. So I have two things for my lips. One of them is just a try, and the other one's the lipstick that I wanted to get. I've got the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade Prom Night, and sadly, this is the only thing that came to me slightly damaged. I love this packaging. It is so pretty, and it's magnetic, so like, how cool is that? So cool. But, you know how like in all the Instagram videos, you know, they wind it up and you can see it? Yeah, well mine is a little munched. It somehow like wound up kind of smushing in the lid, which is, you know, not the end of the world. Like if anything had to be damaged, I'd rather it be the lipstick. The thing itself like isn't broken, like it's not wiggling or anything, which is good. The next thing I got is just to kind of try because I was really excited and I've seen people try this. It seems intense. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. This is what it looks like. I've heard that this is extremely intense and burns really bad on the lips, but I'm excited to try it. It smells amazing. Should I try it right now? I kind of want to try it right now. Since I'm probably going to be wearing the lipstick for the try-on haul, I'm going to try this right now, and I'm very excited. I've only got one more thing to talk about, so hopefully it doesn't like burn my lips too bad. I do feel it starting to tingle a little bit already, which is crazy. So the last thing I have is kind of the main reason I wanted to do the whole haul. This is something I've been wanting so bad, but it was so expensive and I didn't want to spend the money on it. Then I decided for my birthday, I was just going to do it. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I've been dying to have this since the day it came out, and now I finally do have it. And it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. This is actually extremely small. So there's what the palette looks like. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited to use this. I mean, come on. It's just so pretty. My lips are legit burning. It's fine. So this is like the main reason I wanted to do this whole haul, was to get this. It was $67, which is why I hadn't bought it yet, because that's just too much money. But it's my birthday almost. So yeah, I'm really excited. And I'm trying to make myself not use any of these products until my birthday, because they are my birthday present to myself. Do you guys buy birthday presents for yourself? Do you like decide to treat yourself for your birthday, or is that just like a weird thing that I do? So yeah, I think that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. What products have you guys tried of these? Like, I want to hear you guys' reviews. I'm excited to try them. A bunch of these things are things I've been dreaming about trying for such a long time, and then some of them are newer things that I'm just like, ooh, cool, I'd like to try that. Do my lips look like they're on fire? that's all for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. I will be posting like a birthday get ready with me, trying all these products for the first time. I post videos every single Saturday, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye! Don't spend as much money as I just did because that was ridiculous, but it's fine.